Welcome to our astronomy series where we'll explore amazing things about our sky, our planet and the universe beyond. We're starting with something very familiar, but also quite mysterious: shadows. Have you ever noticed how your shadow changes during the day? Sometimes it stretches far ahead of you and sometimes it disappears almost completely. Why does that happen? Let's explore the world of shadows. A shadow forms when light is blocked by an opaque object. Light always travels in straight lines. When something blocks it, it creates a dark shape behind it. As the sun moves across the sky, the angle of the light changes. That's why shadows grow, shrink, and shift direction. In the morning and evening, shadows are long. At noon, they are short. You can even tell time using shadows. Ancient people used sundials before clocks. So, the next time you see your shadow, you're really seeing the sun's path through the sky. Earth is like a spinning top. It rotates once every 24 hours, and this rotation causes day and night. Only one side of Earth faces the sun at a time. That's day. The other side, night. As Earth spins, each place moves into sunlight, then back into darkness. But Earth doesn't just spin, it also orbits the sun. One complete orbit takes 1 year, about 365 days. Earth's tilted axis means different parts get more sunlight at different times of the year. That's how we get seasons. So, when you feel a warm summer breeze or see snow falling, it's thanks to our planet's amazing journey around the sun. What makes morning happen? Why does the sun go down in the evening? The answer lies in Earth's spin. Earth spins once every 24 hours. This rotation brings different parts of the planet into sunlight and then into night. That's why we have time zones. When it's morning in the UK, it might be night in Australia. Every day, this cycle repeats. Day becomes night, and night becomes day. It's one of the most predictable patterns in nature. So, when you see the stars at night, remember, the Earth is just turning, showing you the sky in a new way. What is the sun and how does it fit in our solar system? The sun is right at the centre of our solar system. It's like the boss of the planets, including Earth, because they all travel in circles around it. This movement is called orbiting. But the sun isn't just a light in the sky. It's actually a huge ball of super hot gas that gives off heat and light. Without the sun, Earth would be freezing and dark, and nothing could live here. When we look up, the sun seems like a small, bright circle. But in space, it's actually a massive star, a giant ball of burning gas that shines by itself. In space, there are also planets, which are large, round objects that orbit around stars. Our Earth is one of them. And then there are moons. These are smaller objects that go around planets. Earth has one moon, but some planets have dozens. The sun is incredibly hot, but did you know that different parts of it have different temperatures? The very centre of the sun is called the core, and it's the hottest part. Temperatures there can reach a mind-blowing 15 million degrees Celsius. That's where the sun makes energy like a giant nuclear engine. The layer we can actually see is called the photosphere. It's like the sun's surface. Even though it's the coolest layer, it's still about 5,500 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the inside of Earth. So next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, remember, You're feeling just a tiny bit of the energy from a massive ball of fire millions of kilometers away. Why can we only see the sun during the day? On a clear night, if you look up, you'll see the sky dotted with stars, tiny pinpoints of light twinkling far, far away. But during the day, all those stars seem to disappear. Instead, we only see one star, the sun. It looks much bigger and brighter than the others. So, why is that? It's all about distance and brightness. The sun is the closest star to Earth, much closer than any other star in space. Because it's nearby, it looks much bigger and much brighter, and its light is strong enough to light up the whole sky. That bright sunlight is so powerful, it outshines all the other stars, making the sky look blue instead of black. The other stars are still there. We just can't see them because the sun's light is too bright. So, next time you're looking at the stars at night, remember, the sun is just one of them. It's just a lot closer. Is the sun really bigger than it looks? The sun might look like a small glowing ball in the sky and smaller than Earth. But is it really? Sometimes things look much smaller than they are, just because they're far away. Imagine a tree in the distance. If you're standing far away, it might look as tiny as your finger. You could even hold your hand up and pretend to pinch it. But when you walk up close, you realize the tree is tall, wide, and way bigger than it seemed. The same trick happens with the sun. The sun looks small because it's very far away, around 150 million kilometers from Earth. In reality, the sun is over 100 times wider than Earth. You could fit about 1 million Earths inside the sun. So, next time you see the sun up in the sky, remember, it only looks small because it's incredibly far away. It's actually a giant. Is the sun the biggest star? The sun might seem huge, and compared to Earth, it really is. But here's something surprising. The sun is actually smaller than many other stars in space, so why does it look bigger than all of them? It's all about distance. Other stars are so far away that they appear tiny, like dots in the night sky. But many of those stars are way bigger than the sun. Scientists use something called a light year to measure those huge distances. 1 light year is how far light can travel in 1 Earth year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. Even the closest star after the sun, called Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light years away. So, the sun looks bigger than other stars because it's close to Earth. But it's not the biggest star. Far from it. What colour are stars? Did you know that stars come in different colours? It's true. The colour of a star tells us how hot it is. Blue or white stars are the hottest of all. Red and orange stars are cooler, but still really hot. Our sun is a yellow star. It's somewhere in the middle. Scientists call it a yellow dwarf star. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars. You're seeing different temperatures, glowing in colour, across the galaxy. How do stars get their names? Some stars have special names, like Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. Long ago, people named the stars they could see without telescopes, but today, with powerful technology, we've discovered millions more stars. There are too many to give each one a regular name. So, astronomers use a system with letters and numbers to keep track of them. For example, a star might be called 18 Scorpii. That just means it's the 18th star listed in the constellation Scorpius. Some stars get names, most stars get codes. Are there planets like Earth? Far beyond our solar system, there's a planet that scientists call Earth's cousin. It's called Kepler 186f. It orbits a star smaller and cooler than our Sun. It's just a little bit bigger than Earth. It's in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for water. We don't know if anything lives there, but finding planets like Kepler 186f helps us imagine what other Earth-like worlds might be out there. A group of visible stars forms a pattern called constellation. Some of the most famous constellations are Orion the Hunter and Ursa Major, the Great Bear. You can find them at certain times of the year. Because Earth moves around the Sun, the stars we see at night change with the seasons. Winter constellations disappear in summer, and new ones appear. Learning constellations is like reading a storybook written in the stars, one that changes every night. The moon. Sometimes the moon is full and bright. Other times it's just a thin crescent. These changes are called the phases of the moon. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects sunlight. As it moves around Earth, we see different parts lit up. There are 8 main phases. They include new moon, first quarter, full moon, and last quarter. It takes about 29 days to go through them all. Look up at the sky every night and you'll see the moon changing, like a cosmic calendar in the sky. Solar eclipses. Have you ever seen the sun disappear in the middle of the day? That's a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the Earth and the sun. The moon blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow on Earth. There are different types of eclipses: total, partial, and annular, but all are amazing to see. Never look at a solar eclipse with bare eyes. Always use eclipse glasses or a special viewer. Solar eclipses are rare, but unforgettable. When the moon and sun align just right, it's cosmic magic. Lunar eclipses. Sometimes the moon turns red. That's a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth moves between the sun and the moon. Earth's shadow falls on the moon. When the moon passes fully into Earth's shadow, it can glow red. That's called a blood moon. Unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses are safe to watch. So next time one happens, grab a blanket and enjoy the show. Planets in the solar system. How many planets are in our solar system? Let's take a trip through space and find out. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is unique. Mars is red and rocky. Jupiter is huge with a stormy red spot. Saturn has rings. Next time you look up, remember, we live in just one small part of this amazing planetary family.